Hello, our lovely viewers. This is step 6 of our series, How to Start a Farm in Ghana. If you haven't watched step 4, I'll kindly request that you click on the link and on the top right corner to go and watch before you continue watching this one. As we promised, we will be showing you how we are going to manage our weed control on the farm. So
now I'm going to
come
go
with
through
us
the rice
and let's
again for
see
you
what
to see
we are doing
that
to
this gentleman, these two gentlemen
manage
that you
the
see in
weed
the
that
video
has started growing
are
in the
trying
farm.
to remove from the
Thank
field,
you.
on the rice field. Some of the weeds, when you apply weedicide, they are not going to be able to be effective on them. Some of these trees here that you see that weedicide have killed it's worked on it, but not entirely. So if we come in, we have to use some cutlass to cut them so that the weedicide will be more effective on them. So all this field that you see, we have few of them, few pockets of them here, which these two gentlemen that you see over there are working so hard to remove all those weeds, the broad leaves in the rice field. And later on, they will also do some transplanting where the rice are very dense in that area. We will remove them and then bring them to where you cannot find most of the rice seedlings over there. So you see the rice are really doing very well, and we are hoping that by the end of the planting period, which we expect it to be in October, November, this rice will be ready for harvesting, and we'll bag them and show you every success of the rice farm. So subscribe and like our videos, and I believe you're going to like every step that we have taken. You're going to learn from us, and we're also going to learn from you by way of you commenting and giving your suggestions. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much for subscribing.
So we will quickly follow up with selective weedicide control in our next video. So stay with us as we bring you with that episode. So stay with us. See you in the next video. Bye.